moving on into the rest of this morning. Now that's why we are weather aware. This heavy rain could cause some flooding in some locations, so just be aware. And also, I know a lot of us right now, it's around kind of that time, that 6:45 time, when a lot of us are heading to work. Make sure you're giving yourselves extra time to get there and you're taking it slow. This is a look outside from our Embassy Suites tower camera. As I mentioned before, part of the city of Knoxville pretty much disappearing because of this heavy rain. You can definitely see where that rain line is, just behind the sun sphere, kind of affecting UT's campus. And this is a look at the radar, the storm that we're watching. You can see these big lightning bolts. Definitely have a lightning show associated with this storm here in Knox County. Let's take a more zoomed in look to see the areas being affected. If you're near Rockford, Beechwood, Mount Olive Elementary School, Bearden Elementary School, even downtown Knoxville and Anderson Elementary School, definitely experiencing that heavy rain right now. And this could, again, cause ponding on roadways, cause ponding, in the front yard. Just make sure you're staying aware and kind of being aware of your surroundings. Just kind of going a little bit north, kind of looking towards the Jamestown area of Fentress County. If you're located near East Jamestown, maybe Double Top, Boatland, heavy rain there as well. And again, we're going to experience this heavy rain pretty much throughout the morning this morning as storms begin to make their way in from Middle Tennessee, which is why the Storm Prediction Center has put the majority of East Tennessee under that 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. Now, it's not severe in the sense of tornadoes, but it's severe in the sense of flooding. This is our flooding risk, pretty much all of us out of that under that 2 out of 5 risk again. So we do see a flood watch for portions of the area. This is highlighted in green, all of this lasting until about 1 p.m. Eastern time. So let's take a look at our timeline forecast just to see when everything plays out. Again, seeing those storms here in West Knoxville and downtown Knoxville, and even some in Fentress County. More storms expected to arrive as we go into the rest of this morning, and closer towards 10:30, a lot of us pretty much under those rain storms and rain showers. More rain expected as we head towards this afternoon, but we do get a bit of a break after 12. And then we do get to see kind of a little bit of drier conditions, but more storms are expected as we go into the afternoon and evening. So just kind of stay aware, have your weather alerts on, because a lot of this rain is coming when we're traveling to work or from work. And heavy rain is that medium to high threat, so just be aware of that. Flooding and traveling issues are at the medium threat, as I mentioned before. Ponding on roadways are possible, and severe storms are on the low end, but again, still probable. Definitely hearing that heavy rain over the studio at the moment, definitely hearing the rumble of thunder, definitely seeing lightning. Our rain chances do diminish a little bit going into your Friday to a 40% chance, but still scattered showers and storms still possible in the morning and afternoon for your Friday. Drying out Saturday, going on into Tuesday, and more rain expected Wednesday. But we need to focus on the now. Weather aware until about midday today. Rain and rumbles are the main concern for this morning and going into this afternoon. This heavy rain can lead to some flooding, so be aware of that. Make sure you have your rain gear on you, because here in Knoxville, we're definitely having some rain. Allison.
Okay, thank you, Marco.